Ever felt like you're just guessing when trying to get an AI model to perform exactly how you need it? The difference between a brilliant AI and a frustrating one often boils down to choosing the right strategy: prompting, RAG, or fine-tuning. Making the wrong choice here can lead to wasted engineering hours, sky-high costs, and a chatbot that's simply not smart enough. But pick correctly, and you unlock unparalleled AI performance and efficiency for your projects. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, actionable framework to decide which of these powerful techniques is the perfect fit for your specific AI challenge. The foundation: prompt engineering. Let's kick things off with prompt engineering, the most accessible entry point into controlling large language models. At its core, it's about crafting the perfect input to guide the model's output. Think of it as giving precise instructions to a highly intelligent, but sometimes literal assistant. Prompting shines for general tasks, rapid prototyping, and when you need quick iterations without significant investment. It's incredibly cost-effective, leveraging pre-trained models without needing to pay for additional training time. However, its effectiveness is limited by the model's inherent knowledge and can be brittle to subtle changes in phrasing. Scaling knowledge: Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG. When your LLM needs to access up-to-date, proprietary, or highly specific information that wasn't in its original training data, prompt engineering hits a wall. This is where Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG, steps in. RAG augments the LLM's knowledge by dynamically retrieving relevant information from an external knowledge base before generating a response. RAG excels in scenarios requiring high factual accuracy, up-to-the-minute information, and the ability to cite sources. Think customer support chatbots answering product-specific questions or legal research tools. It significantly reduces hallucinations because the LLM is grounded in verifiable data. The trade-off? Increased system complexity, requiring vector databases and robust retrieval pipelines. Deep customization, fine-tuning. Then we have fine-tuning, the most powerful method for truly customizing an LLM. Unlike RAG, which adds external knowledge, fine-tuning actually modifies the model's weights, teaching it new patterns, styles, or specific behaviors. This is like giving the model a specialized education in a particular field rather than just handing it a textbook. Fine-tuning is ideal for tasks requiring a highly specific tone, style, or format, or when you need the model to consistently adhere to certain guidelines. Examples include generating code in a specific enterprise style, summarizing complex legal documents, or translating domain-specific jargon. The downside? It's resource-intensive, demanding significant amounts of high-quality, labeled data and considerable computational power, leading to higher costs and longer development cycles. We've laid the groundwork, and now you've seen these powerful strategies in action. But the real secret isn't just knowing what they are, it's knowing when to use them, and how they combine to create truly intelligent systems. Stick around, because we're about to give you the ultimate decision framework to nail your next AI project. The decision framework: cost, data, performance. Now, although we understand each approach, how do you actually decide? It comes down to a clear decision framework based on three critical axes: cost and time, data availability and quality, and performance requirements. Let's break these down, as each project will have different priorities. If you're on a tight budget and need a quick solution for general tasks, prompting is your go-to. If you need factual accuracy with external, dynamic data and can manage moderate complexity, RAG is the answer. And for unparalleled specialization, specific style, or complex domain-specific tasks, where you have ample high-quality data and budget, fine-tuning will deliver the best results. Often, the best solution combines these strategies. Real-world scenarios and hybrid approaches. Let's put our framework into action with some real-world examples. Imagine building a simple chatbot for general inquiries on a website. Prompt engineering is your immediate choice. Low cost, fast deployment, and sufficient for common questions. But what if that chatbot needs to answer questions about your company's latest internal policy documents, which change weekly? For that internal policy chatbot, RAG becomes essential. You'd index those policy documents into a vector database, and the LLM would retrieve relevant sections before generating its answer. This ensures accuracy and currency without retraining the entire model. Now consider a highly specialized task: summarizing complex medical research papers into a specific, structured format for doctors. This requires the model to understand nuanced medical language and output a very particular style. For the medical summarization, fine-tuning on a dataset of medical papers and their expert summarized versions would be critical. This teaches the model the specific output format and nuances. In many advanced applications, you might even combine these. A fine-tuned model could be enhanced with RAG to access the latest research, creating a powerful hybrid system. This layered approach often yields the best of all worlds. Future trends and best practices. The landscape of LLM customization is constantly evolving. We're seeing exciting developments in techniques like LoRa for more efficient fine-tuning and advanced RAG approaches like multi-hop retrieval and query rewriting. The trend is towards more accessible, efficient, and powerful methods that combine the strengths of these foundational strategies. Staying updated is key. For best practices, always start simple with prompting. If it doesn't meet your needs, evaluate RAG. Only move to fine-tuning if the task truly demands deep specialization and you have the necessary data and resources. Iteration is crucial. Test, measure, and refine your approach. Remember, the goal is not to use the most complex method, but the right method for the job. Let's recap. Prompt engineering is your fast, low-cost entry for general LLM tasks. RAG augments LLMs with external, dynamic knowledge for factual accuracy and source citation. Fine-tuning reshapes the LLM's core behavior for deep specialization, style, and domain mastery. The key takeaways: always start with prompting. Only escalate to RAG or fine-tuning if necessary. Evaluate your project's cost, data availability, and performance requirements rigorously. Consider hybrid approaches for complex, cutting-edge applications to leverage combined strengths. If you found this decision framework valuable, hit subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into AI and tech. Drop a comment below with your experiences or questions about these strategies.